Liza. What is an oobleck? Oobleck is a solid and a liquid. We can call it both. Why? Because when you squeeze it will be hard. But when you let go, it will be a liquid. I need 1.5 liter of cornstarch and 1 liter of water. If you want to add coloring, you use food coloring. I'm making a smaller batch, so I'm using half a cup of cornstarch and 1 cup of water. And I'm gonna use yellow food coloring. Let's start making this. Yes. First, let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Let this drown. I think 1 more. Let this drown for a minute. And it's very now red. And the spoon is red. That's not just white. And now let's put this in. Now we put the water in the cornstarch. Yun yung kulo. Dito ba dito? Where's the spoon? It's so hard. I did it. Well, we're almost done to do this. Since I don't have any spoons, I'm using my hands. I'm cutting this cornstarch so it will mix. I think it's already too black or something. How do you know it's too black? It's already so thick. It's fun. But don't slow. Oh, it's so fun. Oobleck is liquid and solid at the same time. It's solid because when you punch it, it's very hard. But when you hold it in your hands, it's like liquid. I made a bubble. You want to see a bubble? I see. Looks like egg. Melted? Like scrambled egg. I'm going to play a drum. Ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ba. Going to play drum. Boom, 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 boom. Soundly. I'm gonna make a ball. I wanna make a ball and I'm gonna toss it around. Wow. After this, I'm going to move it into a big container so I can play more. Look at this. Boom. Boom. Slimy. Slimy. Like slime juice. Slime juice. Boom. Slimy. Free. So, let's start. I'm running on Oobleck! I'm running on Oobleck! I'm running on Oobleck! Oh no, it hurts. Guys, I'm stuck. I'm stuck. stuck in the Oobleck. So hard, but wait. Two, one. Wow.
Lompat.
Lompat.
Lompat, jangan taruh. Udah lengket.
You want to get to know teeth?
Come on. One at a time.
1 feet at a time, Lexi.
Okay, good.
Okay, good.
Slowly.
Okay, now whose turn?
Mine. I love you. Excuse me, Theo. Yeah, see. The door's open. No, like seriously. So I have to run fast. Help me, Bobby. So when you're done playing with Oobleck, don't throw it in the sink, or your sink will be plugged forever. Then you cannot pee, or you cannot shower. You cannot wash your hands. Yeah. You can't play water. So, bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on post notifications. Bye.